How to choose the right Grok subscription 2026 guide. Are you confused by all the different Grok plans available in 2026? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to choose the right Grok subscription based on your needs, budget, and how you actually use AI. Grok now offers multiple subscription options, including free, X Premium, Super Grok, X Premium Plus, and Super Grok Heavy. Choosing the wrong plan can mean paying for features you don't need or missing features that could save you time and improve your workflow. Let's start with the free plan. The free plan is perfect if you're just getting started with Grok and want to test the platform before spending money. You can access Grok's AI capabilities, but you'll have lower usage limits and fewer premium features compared to paid subscribers. This option is best for casual users and occasional AI tasks. Next is X Premium. If you already use X regularly and want enhanced Grok access along with X benefits such as premium features on the social platform, X Premium can be a good entry-level option. It's designed for users who want both social media perks and improved AI access without spending too much each month. Now let's talk about Super Grok. For most users, Super Grok is often considered the best value plan. It focuses entirely on AI features and includes access to advanced Grok models, deep search, enhanced reasoning capabilities, voice features, larger context windows, and higher usage limits. If your primary goal is productivity, research, writing, coding, or content creation, Super Grok is usually the plan worth considering first. Then we have X Premium Plus. This plan includes the benefits of X Premium while also providing access to advanced Grok features. It's ideal for creators, marketers, business owners, and power users who spend significant time on X and want AI capabilities integrated with their social media experience. If you care about both X features and AI tools, Premium Plus may offer the best combination. Finally, there's Super Grok Heavy. This is the highest tier option and is designed for professionals, researchers, engineers, and users who need maximum performance, larger workloads, and access to the most advanced Grok capabilities available. Most everyday users will not need this plan, but heavy AI users may find the additional power worthwhile. So how do you choose? If you're new to Grok, start with the free plan. If you mainly use X and want better AI access, choose X Premium. If you care mostly about AI features and productivity, choose Super Grok. If you want both premium X benefits and advanced AI features, choose X Premium Plus. And if you're running intensive research, development, or professional AI workloads, consider Super Grok Heavy. Pro tip: before upgrading, track your actual usage for a few weeks. Many users discover that Super Grok provides everything they need, while others realize that X Premium Plus makes more sense because it combines both social and AI benefits in a single subscription. Community discussions also suggest comparing where you primarily use Grok, inside X or through the standalone Grok app and website. And that's how to choose the right Grok subscription in 2026. We covered every major plan, who it's best for, and how to decide which option matches your goals and budget. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which Grok plan you're currently using.